when I was young and in my prime at the age of 24. I left Loch Erin's a lovely banks, to England I sailed o'er. 'Twas there I spied a maiden fair, of honour and renown. 'Twas of her I did ask the way to famous London town. Young man, are you a stranger, or you never here before? Come tell to me from where you came unto this country o'er. I said I am an Irish lad that lately has sailed o'er, and they call me Willie Rambler from sweet Loch Erin's shore. If you be Willie Rambler, this charming maid did say, what would you take if you'd consent, and with me come away? £500 a year I'd take, I'd give you that and more, and I'd crown you Willie Rambler from sweet Loch Erin's shore. Were you ever on Loch Erin's banks on a pleasant summer's day, when the blackbird and thrush in every bush they charm their notes so gay, and the fame of Ballyshannon town, my far eye it sees them all in June, July or August, when the salmon it leaps in the fall. From Greenayor to Illy Lodge, a spot of a high renown, where the small boars they sing out their chorus around you, lovely Castletown.